What up? It's your boy DUBB, and we about to unbox this. Alright, let's get this bad boy open real quick. I'm one-handing it. Y'all know how I do. One-handing in it. Let's do it. Let's do this. Padding. What the hell is this? Full spectrum LED grow light, 1200 volt cord, Vivosun. Let's get this little thing. What the heck is this? Get out of here. Oh yeah. Let's see. Open the jaw out, man. Oh, I gotta cut something. Alright. Okay. You see it? VS1000 LED grow light instruction manual. What? What is that? What is this? I can't take that out? Hold up, let's see what this is first. Let's see what this is first. Sorry about the camera moving around. Oh, they gave your boy some glasses to look at with the lights. Put the camera on it? I don't know. Shit, it's all good though. So you can get that good view. You know what I'm saying? Without all that light washing, what else is in here? There's something else in here. Okay, we got some hangers. We got the hangers. Put this to the side. What's in this? Probably the power cord. But we gonna see. Yes, power cord. We don't need to pull that out at all. There's like some more hanger pieces in here too. Yeah. Yeah, that's for the light, to hang the light. Okay, what the heezy? What the heezy? Look at this little thing! What is this? Booyaka shot! Look at this little old thing! Ha ha! Vivosun, this is real cute, brother. This is real cute. Oh my goodness, this is going in my breeding tent. Instead of using that purple LED, I can use this. Good looking out, Vivosun. For shooting your boy this. Vivosun wanted your boy, you know what I'm saying, to do a little unboxing. So this is what I did. Wasn't nothing much to it. Came with what it said it was going to come with on the thing. I'm going to put all the specs in the description below. But this is dope. This is dope. Look at this little old thing, man. Oh, this is above. Yeah, this is 3D right here. It's Vivo and the O is 3D. Can you see that? Can you see that? Yeah. So, I'm going to put the little description in the specs in the description below. But this is dope. Look at this little thing. What is this? The driver? Oh, and it's dimmable. Yes. This is dope. This little old thing here. Vivosun. Okay. You trying to get in the game? Getting in the game. That's what's up. Y'all see that? What? That's what's up, Vivosun. Shout out to Vivosun, y'all. I'm going to put a link to this product in the description below. Put the specs in the description below. and fuck with your boy DUBB, man. Yeah, I like this little old thing right here, bro. Yeah, this is going in my breeding tent, and this is what it does. Alright, man. Shit, they said they just wanted me to do an unboxing, so I unboxed this junk, showing it off to y'all, man. I like this. I like this a lot, little old thing, man. It has its purpose, but leave that there. This is dope. This is dope. Y'all like this, man? Let me know in the comments below if y'all like this little old light, man. Oh, hold up. I had to turn the dimmer on for y'all. I mean, I had to turn the light on for y'all, man. So, this little light. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Nah, I'm playing. But, yeah, look at the dimmer, man. I got it all the way off. Let's turn it up. Let's turn it up. Oh, it clicks. Oh, it clicks. Can y'all see that? Oh, it turned all the way off. Okay, that's off. This 100%. And it goes to 75, 50, and then 25%. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Yeah, that's dope. Alright, y'all. It's your boy DUBB, and I'm really out this bitch. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, man. It's your boy DUBB, and I'm out this bitch. Peace.